Hey guys, real quick, I wanted to get you out a quick message, real quick, in regards to this week. Some priority things that we need to do. AlphaCore DX Partner Portal. Ian, I would like for you to get with Maine and help her out with the integration on that. We need to dig into the knowledge base articles. If you guys think that it's just going to happen on its own, it's not going to happen. We need to dig into the knowledge base articles and figure out how to utilize webhooks and secure connections, secure tokenized connections with Keap Infusion Soft. So please dig into that, figure that out. It's a developer application, I would assume, and I'm going to be doing the same on my side, but I'm not a developer, so I'm going to need your support on this. So please, please, please dig into those knowledge base articles. Let's get those completed. Maine's working on the actual web pages. Ian, I need you to work on the integration and digging into how to make that happen inside the Keap environment. Secondly, Mark, if you could make sure that we get through the Dense Solution FX site and make sure we get all those pages built out. If the pages are complete, let's start sending them to me, and we'll start adding content to each one of those pages in order to complete that SEO project. I believe that the site link structure and the pages have been built out. We just need to create links, breadcrumbs, page content, things of that nature. Also, let's make sure that we're not using default and or images that are not from the customer. Let's start adding imagery, and then we can get Ronnie in there and Alexis to start optimizing. Mark, I do not want you to be optimizing on a page-by-page basis in regards to structured content, Yoast, or anything like that. I just want the pages, the copy, the content, images, things of that nature. When the page is complete, it gets sent over to Alexis and then also Ronnie in order to optimize the page, in order to do the keywords, structured data, and all that kind of stuff. So don't worry about optimizing the actual pages themselves. We need to get through the development application first and foremost, then we can start ranking the pages and looking at the site structure and inevitably report it and index it to Google for search indexing. That's all I have for you today. It was a busy day. I wasn't actually available for our kickoff call. I apologize for that. But I will be in contact every single day this week. We have 2 weeks in order to button up a lot of our projects. I'm going to be traveling to the East Coast here in the United States. So I'm going to be, after 2 weeks from now, I'm going to have limited availability and connectivity. So let's get our project tasks run up. I think that's all I have for you today. Please ping me, DM me if you have any questions, and or give me a thumbs up if you got this. Let's go out there. Oh, and also, Rena, great work on getting customer review from Dentex. That's going to kick off a workflow. Send that over to Keenan so that he can add that to our supercuts, create some shorts, and then also create a review video so that we can share those online. So that's a really great way to kick off those workflows. Please get with me for project tasks and things of that nature for this week. We have lots to do, so let's make it a fantastic week. I'll talk with you real soon.